the Hoosier State, the crossroads of America.
We are a transportation warehousing mecca.
Connecting the U.S. from one end to the other.
That is one of the biggest assets to our economy.
But that vital network also opens other pathways.
It also is one of the biggest drivers in the illegal transportation of drugs.
Indiana's opioid crisis has plagued the state for decades. The last few years saw record numbers of overdoses due to synthetic drugs. But the state's executive director for drug prevention says at the end of 2019, things were looking up.
We were seeing a decrease in our overdoses that were twice that of the national average. Opioid prescribing had come down about 23%.
But that all came crashing down with COVID-19.
We say the opposite of addiction is not sobriety, it's connection. And we know that people have had a really difficult time staying connected over the last year.
An epidemic within a pandemic.
We've seen nearly a 50% increase in overdoses in our emergency departments in 2020.
Substance abuse and mental health issues skyrocketing. The statewide hotline overwhelmed.
From July to December, they answered 6,049 calls.
The stress individuals were going through had a major impact on addiction.
Brandon Smiley runs a treatment center in Evansville, a recovering addict himself. He says isolation is a catalyst for addiction, and the pandemic has only exacerbated the problem.
I can't go and do anything, so now I got to keep my mind busy. But then if I'm sober, then all the stress of bills, family, work, I can't do none of those things, so then I want to do something to take that away from me.
Since 2017, more than 56,000 Hoosiers have sought help through opioid treatment programs. And now, more than 1.5 million have access to addiction treatment through Medicaid. While the pandemic's impact on Indiana's opioid crisis is still unknown, next-level recovery efforts are underway.
We have created the Indiana Recovery Hubs. There are 60 organizations statewide that operate in 18 different regions.
And Smiley says the best thing right now is finding that missing connection.
You got me, I got you, let's do it. You know what I mean? And that helps tremendously. If you don't have moral support, you're not going to be successful.
A new crossroads through a network of healing. Valerie Lyons, 44 News.